It's another morning in the Batumi, and now finally it's a sunny day in the Batumi. Now it's day to take the drone shoots of all the hospital affiliated with our university, Avicenna University, and I'm having my breakfast here.
I told you we're over here and we're stuff away. Told you we're over.
You can see here the beaches. सॉरी इतने वेट कराने के लिए. Such a handsome brother, Jankan bhai. Mandip bhai also. Now let's relax in the car, and now we're heading to us to take the drone shoots of every hospital. Guys, this is one of the clinical hospitals under renovation. So guys, we have reached to one of the hospitals. Now let's go and take the drone shoots and also enjoy the video. I am now setting up the drone for the drone shoots. Everything is done, set up guys. Now with the sunglasses, because it's very sunny and I have to see the drone up in the sky. Let's go guys. Yeah.
And we're stuff away.
The drone shoot of the Solomon High-Tech Medicine Hospital, which is also affiliated by Avicenna Medical Institute. This is one of the hospital. Now I'm going to another hospital to take the drone shoots. Let's go guys.
Told you we're over.
Jankan bhai, where are we going now?
Now we are going in second hospital. Alright, slowly. Can you please play some music? Mandeep? Yes, bro. Please.
So much building. It's under construction hospital, okay? Yeah. Now we are going to take the drone shoot.
It's the biggest hospital in Batumi, but it's now in under construction.
Okay, bro.
Right? Also in Batumi, Batumi hostel also here. We are going where you know?
To the another hospital.
Which one you know?
No.
Where you can lose your drone. Lose your drone.
Okay, the best. Last time we lost our drone. Now we are going to take the drone shoot of one of the biggest hospital in Batumi. So guys, this was the hospital. Last time I crashed my drone when taking the drone shoot. Let's hope not to happen this time.
Center Oncology Center.
Okay, now we are going to Med Center Oncology Center to make the drone shot. Guys, here we reached Avicenna Medical University.
So guys, we are landing our drone. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.